After we reach 1,000 paid members, there will be a 5,000 US dollar giveaway every 30 days. I'm even upping the ante. If we hit 2,000 paid members, I will give away 1,000 US dollars every 30 days. Welcome to SouFLoTV again, everybody. It is your host with the most. So for those of you who've been here before, we've been on YouTube now for a couple of years. And for the people who have been with us for these years, over the years, they know that we used to give away money on SouFLoTV. Well, I'm about to be giving away money again. This time I want to give away way more money than I was giving away before. However, there's a catch to this. Well, not really a catch. It's how you get in on the money. It's like playing the lottery and you have to buy a ticket in order to win kind of thing. What I'm talking about is I am selling membership to my channel. Yes. If you look at the channel, right, you look at the front of the channel, you will see the join button. It's time for you to join and become a member of SouFLoTV. I've given you a lot of free content over the years. I'm talking about over 3,000 videos I've done for free over the years, right? Back in the day when we were trying to get the channel up and running, those times we had like 50, 60 subscribers, and then we ended up doing a giveaway campaign where we would give away 100 US dollars, was it a week or every 2 weeks, 100 US dollars to whoever could answer this question or answer that question correctly about the channel. What did you see at 9:09 in my last videos? Things like that I used to do. And whoever answered it first would get the 100 US or however much we were giving away at the time. Now, I want everybody to get membership to the channel. Here's the goal for getting your membership to the channel. There's a link right down here. Look down there, click the link. It will be in the comment section as the first comment. I will pin it there, and it will also be in the description of the video under this video. Click that link, go over to where you can join the channel and get your membership. This is my goal. After we reach 1,000 paid members on SouFLoTV, there will be a 500 US dollar giveaway every 30 days. As you can see, it says we have over 300,000 subscribers. So it should never be hard for us to hit 1,000 wanting to be paid members out of 300 and something thousand subscribers. But it is, because I suffer with people still. That's just how it is for us, right? Me not give him no money. Me not pay for listen to him. After me listen to him free all them years, yeah. Scam people, you know. Yo, I'm to the boy, yeah. Yo, boy, I'm gonna look work. You will never be rich off of me. You know, like a million things people have to say. That's not what it's about, okay? Somebody could really use 500 US dollars extra every month. Think about it. If I get 1,000 paid subscribers, that means you're putting in $9 just to maintain like a chance for you to win. See? I will randomly pick, but I'll explain to you how the winners will go. I'm even upping the ante. If we hit 2,000 paid members, I will give away 1,000 US dollars every 30 days. Let me say it again. If we hit 2,000 paid members on this channel, I will give away 1,000 US dollars every 30 days. I know everybody on social media is balling and $1,000 ain't nothing. I got stacks. Yeah. I've seen a lot of people that can really use 1,000 US dollars every 30 days, right? That would be the giveaway. So now your incentive is to get me to 2,000 paid members. Save up your money, buy your membership. It's cheap, it's $9.99. Save up your money, buy your membership. Just invest $9.99 in trying to win 500 or 1,000 US dollars every 30 days. It's like buying your tickets to get the money, right? But what you're doing really is you're supporting the channel. There are other incentives to this though that you need to know about as well. So let me repeat myself again. If you get me to 1,000 paid members on this channel, I will give away $500 cash every 30 days. If you get me to 2,000 paid members, I will give away $1,000 cash to some lucky winner every 30 days. And if we maintain those numbers, I will continue that giveaway all throughout 2022. I did the math already. I could be giving away somewhere between $1 million and $1.5 million Jamaican dollars. But I'm giving it in US. So it's thousands and thousands and thousands. We're a couple of months out before December. So if you get money from now till December, I've done the math. It's a lot of money, all right? So be a part of that family. Now, there are other incentives to getting your membership, I must tell you. And remember, the link is down here. It will be in the comment section, pinned as the first comment down there. And it will also be in the description of the video underneath the video. The join button on the channel is usually right next to the subscribers button. Everybody knows how to find the subscribers button. You're subscribed to somebody on YouTube, right? All right, but click my link. It will take you right to where you're supposed to go to join, all right? There are other incentives. Here are the other incentives. Sometimes we don't want to do certain videos because we're not gonna make no money off it. YouTube won't monetize it because the content or because the way how we're talking, or we have to be careful about what we say if it's too controversial. I'm just telling you the behind the scenes stuff. See? Here's the beauty about that though. Once you have membership, right, I can upload the content and I can say this is for members only. Then I'm not worried about if it's monetized or not, because honestly nobody does this for free, right? People either do this because they like it a lot and then they're hoping that one day it will become a business for them and money in the bank for them, or they're already getting money out of it and they're figuring out how to grow their brand. That's the way of the world now today. So, like I said, get me to 1,000 paid members on SouFLoTV. Click the link, tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Get your membership for SouFLoTV. Get your membership for SouFLoTV. We have to get him up to 1,000, because if he gets 1,000, he's gonna be giving away $500 every 30 days. Get him up. Yo, get your membership for SouFLoTV. Get your membership for SouFLoTV. Because if we get him to 2,000 paid members on SouFLoTV, he's going to be giving away $1,000 every 30 days. I don't know about you, but even I could use $1,000 every 30 days. Right. With that said, the other incentives for people is that I can upload special content that is created for people with membership only. That way, you're the only ones that can interact with it. I started out doing that with our live, right? So when we go live in the morning show, which is called Morning Thoughts, that was the plan for Morning Thoughts, was for us to go live. And it would be all members only, because a lot of the times, the morning show is a riot. You understand? A lot of good things get talked about. There's a lot of laughing, a lot of jokes, a lot of interaction in the comment section. Just a good way to start your day out and build a community and have a community of people. You know, walk on so and so, walk on so and so, walk on Jet Shelley, walk on so, and big up your family in the morning before you go to work, and you talk about the happenings and the guanins and these kind of things. Alright, that we wanted to go members only with. I made a mistake this morning and did something, can't figure it out because the platform is new to me too. So I messed up this morning's morning thought for this particular morning here. And I will make that up to the audience tomorrow morning. Matter of fact, I'm going to make tomorrow morning live available to everybody, so you can come over and see what Morning Thoughts is about, and then, you know, them thing there. However, I think I will make it so that only those who have their membership already, which is 157 people already bought their membership, I checked, I will make it so that they are the ones that can comment. You can just watch. Alright, once you get your membership, then you can fully comment and interact with everybody and everybody else. Let me repeat one more time. If you get me to 1,000 paid members on SouFLoTV, I will give away $500 every 30 days. And that's to the end of the year. And if you get me to 2,000 paid members, I will give away $1,000 US every 30 days on this channel. That's where it's at. Click the link. It's right down there in the comment section, pinned as the first comment, and also in the description box. Catch you on the next video. I'm out. Peace.